We are live. July 21st, 2025. Let's get into the charts. We're looking at an MMM continuation on this. I am not filled for the order on the open. You can see here. Still not filled. I'm thinking about taking some Tesla longs, but only had a little bit of weakness in the last 4 minutes. And then I'm waiting for a open 5-minute bullish bar, which we are not getting at the moment. So, and my third idea is that we will be having some swing options for Apple, and that will be what we're going to be trading. Okay, excellent. Excellent. So setting up for break retest here. Pre-market highs, 3309. Midnight open, 23243.75. Man, pre-market low, 23223. Volume is healthy. So pulling around this 310 but not going so far down would be ideal. I'll take 50% retracement as well. This is kind of on the watch list. Yeah, idea invalidated here. Okay, this 310 level is what I'm looking at.
Order filled.
Okay, I am in. I like this candle right here, 938. So we're gonna be in, and we'll have our stop loss right here. Give it a little bit of wiggle room. I'm not so strict about it. If it's a good trade, it's a good trade. These trades are supposed to be nice and easy if the thesis is right. So This is a classic. Yep, I enter on this candle. We keep it rolling. Oh, bulls are defending the price. Let's see if we can make them some higher. Let's see if we can make some new all-time highs. Still defending price, so that's good. Okay. Okay, open has shown me the break retest right here. I'm gonna have my shares to 1,000. Go for a minimum of 2R, so my risk is down here at its current lows. What is that? What? I'll go 261. 261. Okay. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about. I'm gonna be tempted to take profit, but I know this can go up to our price target up here, 415. It's a break retest pre-market highs. So we're looking at 960 minimum for a 2R. Yep, look at it rip. That was a textbook read. Excellent. Textbook read. Yep. 30 more points. Damn. These are a lot of a lot of sellers here at open. sold early there. That was an emotional response. Let's check on here. If we need to protect our profits a little bit. No, I think it's still looking healthy. Let's see what the next 955 candle does. Still looking healthy. I think it can still push all the way up. Hopefully no one's shorting this. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna hit the $3 target. So it was an error. Do you take profit early? 200 million volume. Yep, nice. Oh yeah, nice. It's quite alright for me. Still bullish, still bullish. I really like this thrust candle by Tesla. I really like the thrust candle. The 21 moving average is beginning to level out. Maybe I'm okay with going with the next leg higher. That's okay with me. Yeah, pump it up. Yeah, that's what I was worried about for Tesla. Just trying to make some retest the low of day. I just want the confluence of it being above the 21 moving average on the side of momentum. So just chilling right now, hanging out, waiting to see what it wants to do. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Come on, keep pushing. 20 more points for 3R. Take profit. Oh, beautiful. 20 more points. What a great win. What a great win. Nor should there be one. Keep pumping up. Keep pumping it up. Yep, I was also looking at that pin bar for Tesla. This could be another pin bar if it ends up turning green. Back up we go. Yeah. 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 Rip it up. The rippity up. The rippity up. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on, baby, just nuke it. Nuke it.
Order
okay with
filled.
that win, man. I'm okay. God damn, man. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. Yep. That just looked so weird to me. Could have been emotional. Yeah, but oh man, what a great win. Okay, so instead of 3R, 1142.08. So we got 2.37R. Yeah, just the way it was approaching 400 looked so suspicious. Looked very suspicious. 415 was our target, so we're gonna take a look, an eye out on that. I still wanna. This Tesla looks like it wants to. Like I want to wait a little bit more for it. Let's see if there's anything else. Our original idea was the 20-cent stop loss and then it going to 344, which it has never done before, but I let past buy-ins influence my present day judgment making. Oh, this looks like a break retest. It's really struggling at this 159 level. Still respecting VWAP. Yeah, typically SC doesn't really care about those moves. Data dog. Volume kind of sucked. Yeah, volume really sucked. What a great move. Everybody, let's go. Everybody, let's go. I don't love this. I think Tesla wants to make another lower low or continue the trend. Yeah, this pin bar looked really good, but over the course of 50 pin bars, that's kind of my mentality now. Can I trade that? And the answer would be no, because I just don't see this pin bar coming like that. Yeah, sure, it's with volume, but it's under VWAP. It's away from one standard deviation. A lot of things going against it, so don't make life more complicated than it should be. If anything, this is a short angle. One more time, the next leg. It should have been a short angle here. but there's so much strength in the markets right now and the indices, so I'm not a fan of that. Oh, well, I found the 15 minute. Yep, consolidating, not bad, good. Okay. Technically, you could still go a bit higher. Where was my exit? 23.97. Yeah, 9725. Nothing tells me it wants to uh, not go to 415, but let's just put it this way. This move here, there's still a lot more room. This move, okay. And then now it's beginning to look a little fishy. Oh man, 400 providing. And again, it's not letting it move. Can I see what's happening there? 400. No, some price discovery, no like hard rejections. Yeah, no hard rejections. Yeah, here's where some people bought the dip in the DOM. What does it stand for? Nope, can't see it. Doesn't get popped up. These are like the future level twos, kind of. Yeah, just some price discovery at 23,400. No big selling. There's some selling. I mean, I'm one of them. Right. All right. Ah, perfect. This is what I'm waiting for. Yeah, great, great, great. Good, good. Mm, mm, let's wait for it one more time. One more time. I want it to kind of break the lower highs here, so it's a higher. Once it kind of reverses, then I'm gonna be interested. Small amount of risk. Okay, we'll still be patient on Tesla. It's definitely something. It's setting up. Apple rejecting 215. We had the idea to go long here for some monthlies. Yeah, the thing is with this SE move, it reminds me of this kind of move right here. So I'm just kind of waiting for it to, after a little bit of sell off, do a little bit of a mean reversion. Yep, so see, same thing here. Waiting for an SE mean reversion. Still about an hour early if this is gonna do a divergence. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's why. Still not conquering the 21 moving average. Makes it a more difficult chart to trade. Difficult chart, no trade. Either no trade, decreased risk, everything, all of the above. Yeah, it's just not. It's really testing your patience, which is not ideal. Still a lower high, so and it did not cross and hold above the 21 moving average. So still no trade, but you can see that price is trying to make another decision in terms of like whether or not to obey it or reject it. So oh man, oh that's a little different. Yep, it's the new low of day. we took profit here. Yeah, this candle here at 10:05 would have been a little bit of a heartbreaker because it formed the wick up instead of the doji. Then now you would start to get worried if you're using the. I also have the 21 moving average here. It's light volume, so price discovery. Some price discovery. Just a little bit of selling, not too much. Like right here, and actually right exactly where the 21 moving average is, you see a lot of either selling or buying here. So oh, nice. That's exactly what you want to see if you're bullish. Still a clear resistance right at 23,400. Absolutely clear as day. Oh, another pin bar. I like it. Another pin bar. 23. Now, if it closes like that with more volume, with buyers and sellers trying to fight for position, I'm gonna be interested. Maybe lighter size because it's still decreasing. We're on the clear downtrend. Definitely lighter size. Yeah, so we're gonna not risk as much. Oh man. So this has to close green, and then we'll think about it. 2 more minutes. Oh man, 44 is what this should be ending up as a 2R. Yeah, yeah. I think I was influenced by some random video that tried to short this, but he got smoked. He got smoked. And then yeah, just not used to trading stocks like this where even small moves like this either take a while or there's a lot of buyers and sellers. Maybe that's more controlled, but I rather see like a floor uh, kind of drop away or like a fade. Yeah, not respecting the 330 level. Honestly, the next level is probably 325. So either if this continues to not play out how it should be, 325 is kind of the only level I'm looking at after this. Okay, good. This is what. Yep, good, great. That's the right candle. Yep, with bigger volume. Oh yeah, oh yeah, great, good, good. Oh, 400's being conquered. Yep. Will it hit 415? Will it reward the patience if I waited an extra 14 minutes? Let's see. For extra 15 points, 14 points. I like that candle for Tesla. I like the candle. I like the candle. Perfect. Good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. Over to 21 moving average. Yep. Perfect. Can it conquer though? Or is it still a ceiling? That's the level 2s. Oh, there's some big guys at 330.66. Big guys. Is that where it stopped? Yeah, it actually did. That's exactly where it stopped. Alright, let's see. It matched the equal high, so I think this is where momentum is shifting. For Tesla at least. It's definitely not following what the indices are doing, so it's trading on its own. Okay, yep. So not quite hitting where it needs to. Yep. Now, seeing if we're gonna have a divergence play on SE. Okay, yep, Tesla going against what everything else is doing. Great, like this pin bar. Okay. Ooh, another big guy. 330.5. Another big guy, yep. Kind of smacked Tesla around. Oh, more sellers. Couple of big guys. Couple of big guys here. Higher low would make this insane move. So I'm waiting for the curl up on my momentum. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, you could do it. Oh yeah. Yep. Perfect. That's exactly what I was waiting for. Exactly what I was waiting for.
There we go. Got a dollar move off that 330 on Tesla so far. I want to see 333 plus though. I'd like to see $3 move out of this. 3 to 1 restored.
Yeah, I think I had $1.50 risk. I entered around 330.
No trades looking for NASDAQ yet, guys.
Yeah, 2R would be 333. Let's make that a good habit.
See a lot of you guys ask how you can message me, guys. The best way to message me, the only place I answer DMs.
I have about 30 more minutes. I need the most obvious divergence play here so I can take profit. Beautiful. 133.
trades on Instagram.
So far, we're having these umbrella type of wicks, which is good. I like that. Shout out to Linda Rashke. And then these three green volume, very bullish. I may even want to add, but add to my winners.
Just equities today. Just getting back in the trade the individual names, so taking it easy.
So let's see. It should not dip below here for me to stay bullish on it. If it equals it, that's alright as well. 38, 39. Oh, oh, oh. Not, not a, okay. Wick out. Very interesting. Yeah, there are a lot of big sellers up in the front. Yeah, let's get out of this position. Let's get out of this position really quick. 328.5 is my stop loss. No, I don't want to add. Not gonna add. Staying small, making the. Seeing if we can get what we're looking for on this Tesla move. Yeah, we got a lot of support here and the 328. That's why it has not broken down. Oh, that looks like an interesting formation. Technically, this is a higher low setup. Higher low. I can close strong and not make a new low. This is actually interesting. Okay, added.
This trade support to pay out.
Added the position.
Use that same thesis on Nasdaq, right? You have this previous right resistance turn support. You made a gap up, so strong name. You get a pullback to previous resistance turn support. You see us come. We have sell when aggressive, pin bar up, sell when aggressive, pin bar up. This is the first trade I got stopped on. And then the second one was this try here at 330. It's about around here. Stops below here. Hopefully we see this nice move up.
333 for 2R.
We always felt like a growing trend has been up. And all it takes on a name like Tesla is one trade that gets that nice bottom in, super nice move up where you can just trail your stop and really get a nice move.
Oof. Another unable to close above 215 for Apple.
Holding below this 9.
Nvidia doing a little bit of a range move.
I don't chase longs. I don't chase anything, I should say. I don't chase positions. I trade on higher lows, lower highs, and A plus setups.
Back down we go. 328.5.
Looks like we're gonna fail this a little lower. If we do, my stop is right here. All these lows. No NQ trades today. No Nasdaq trades for me. No Nasdaq trades for me. Let's see what other data we have this week.
Yep, still the defenders here at 328. Above every.
JCOM speaking tomorrow. We
Some
have
defenders. Yep. Getting defended again. Oh, and see if that was enough. They have been. Yep.
Not a ton of data this week. A little bit.
Okay. Bryce got defended again.
Something.
Yep. Popped up again in the 380s. Oh, yep. You saw that at 329. Yep. Some more. Yep. They don't stick around like these at the 330 levels. This might be glued here, but okay. Let's see.
This is just not something that's tradable for me in the Nasdaq right now, guys. Just going straight up. Maybe if you were scalping on the 1 minute, sure. But on all the other higher time frames, just nothing for me.
Yep, we're out. Stop loss. 1033 out.
Just consolidating.
Okay.
Tesla's got my stop, everybody.
Not bad, pretty good. Alright, no problem.
Small win. 1200.
One more thesis is this on SE, but we are still about 30 minutes too early, so I'm waiting for about 11 o'clock to see if it's going to make a new low.
No pullbacks to our EMAs, no pullbacks to our 15-minute high, no pullbacks to our pre-market high. Just slowly straight up on Nasdaq. So this type of price action, I'm not personally in trade. I'm going to give it some more time, but I'm not gonna try and be a hero with that. Am I gonna try power hour? Not today. OBTS. A little bit. That's I don't really trade those type of names, but I just could. Netflix is barcoding. Google's nice put off the open of barcoding. Nvidia wanted to break out. Nvidia's decent.
Alright guys, we're gonna close up the live stream. Hope everyone's been having a good trading Monday. As you can see, we made 2.37 R on this top step combine. Could have been 3R, but we will take it. We had one win, one loss on our E-Trade account. Let's see, where are we looking? Yep. So we didn't take this first 5-minute pin bar. We took this second one. Is there a reason why I didn't take this? Yeah, just something about it didn't look right. Maybe nothing on the charts that kind of said anything, but this one felt a little early, especially at 9:45. This one felt decent, since this was a failed try. But then, of course, as you can see here, we got taken out by this candle. So no trade there. We're looking for a divergence play here. So after failing this move, it should come down for a low of day, but it should be a little bit of a different read here on the stochastics. And then that shall be it. So I'm gonna record all this in the 10:30 meeting, and then I'll catch you guys in the next video, next live stream. So that'll be tomorrow. So happy trading.